Namaskar, friends. I'm back again, and tonight for dinner, I have a very comfortable Indian dish. So I'm in Chicago right now, and it is -6 degrees Celsius outside. So you can imagine how cold it is. Chicago is called the Windy City, so along with the temperature, there is this chilly wind going on continuously. So in this cold, chilly weather, what's better to have than some amazing khichdi and some omelette? Khichdi is a combination of rice and lentils. Indians have different kinds of lentils. We call it dal. So I have added masoor dal as well as moong dal in this khichdi. But you can just make khichdi with rice and moong dal or rice and masoor dal. It is completely a personal choice, and you can basically mix any amount of dal and rice based on your preference and the number of people who are going to eat. For me, I have added half cup of rice. I have used normal Sona Masuri rice. You can use basmati rice as well. Basmati rice or pulao rice will give a very good aroma to the khichdi, but normal rice is just as good. And I've added almost 0.75 cup of masoor dal and half cup of moong dal. But it is very important to note that you should fry the moong dal beforehand, because that will give a good aromatic flavor to the khichdi, as well as it will mix well with the rice while you cook it. So I have washed everything properly, and then I have prepared the khichdi. So let's dig in. Oh, it's hot. I have added for vegetables, you can add anything, but the basic vegetables which go really well with khichdi are cauliflower, potatoes, carrots, and of course, onions and tomatoes. I did not have cauliflower at home, so I just substituted cauliflower with some beans. But if you have cauliflower, definitely add it. And the trick to actually have a good flavor from the vegetables in the khichdi is you fry the vegetables beforehand. So I have actually fried the potatoes, the carrots, and the beans together in oil beforehand, and I put it aside and added it later on in the process. That will basically give you a different flavor from the vegetables, as well as when you add it in the khichdi, it will enhance the flavor. It is the most comfort food one can have in this cold weather. It's steaming hot, as you can see, but as and when I'm eating it, it feels really good inside as well. I have prepared the omelette with 2 eggs. Of course, you can prepare it with 1 egg or more than 2 eggs. Completely a personal choice. And of course, you can have the khichdi just by itself. You don't even need the omelette. But the perfect combination to have a classic khichdi dish is to have some khichdi and some omelette together. I have been trying to prepare the perfect Bengali style khichdi for quite some time now, but every time something is not okay in the dish. Sometimes it's very dry, sometimes it's not too dry. There's something wrong or the other, but today I actually got it perfectly right. And I understood that the number of glasses of rice and dal that you add, you should add 4 times of water to the khichdi. You add it in installments because you need to make sure that the rice and the dal are cooked to perfection, but that's the ratio you should actually add your dal and your rice and your water. I have also added ghee at the end of the preparation. Ghee is nothing but to, of course, enhance the flavor, but you can definitely make it without the ghee. I have had homemade ghee, luckily, but here in the United States, you can easily get cow ghee or any other brand ghee. You can definitely add that to your khichdi as well. Okay friends, I'm going to continue eating. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Mention in the comments below if you would like to know this recipe. Thank you. Namaskar.